What 5 tactics can you use to turn unmet customer expectations around and rebuild trust? Conduct a root cause analysis. Identify the underlying issues causing the unmet expectations by asking why repeatedly. Implement immediate service recovery. Offer a quick solution or compensation like a discount, refund, or bonus points to show goodwill. Remember to personalize the recovery and tailor the solution to the specific issue and the customer's needs. Communicate transparently. Inform the customer about the issue, the steps taken to resolve it, and expected resolution timelines. Engage a manager. When necessary, have a manager personally reach out to the customer to demonstrate commitment and provide a higher level of support. Follow up and gather feedback. After resolving the issue, check in with the customer to ensure satisfaction and learn how to prevent future occurrences.